All right, y'all. So I am looking a hot, beautiful mess right now. Reading my book, The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success by Deepok Chopra. And I just got the urge to make a video. So here I am making a video. And this video is going to be addressing how we can ease some of our mind issues, or like the issues that come to our minds, because a lot of the times it'll seem like we don't know how to navigate through certain terrain. Like let's say you're trying to like move out your parents' house. Like let's start with something very basic that a lot of us are experiencing. Like the cool thing about not knowing certain things, like not knowing how you're gonna like where you're gonna end up, is that you could start imagining, you could start visualizing like what you would want to manifest, like what you would want to come to be, like where would you want to live. And so I guess this video is about embracing uncertainty, which is actually one of the chapters that or one of the laws is the law of detachment. And the law of detachment is just like being okay with the present moment and realizing that the future is not known. And that's beautiful, because that means anything can literally happen. Like if we knew everything about every future step, like that would take out all the spontaneousness and all the fun and excitement and all like the adventure and mystery and the stuff that our inner child like really likes. And so if you're back to our example, if you're trying to move out, all you know is the past, like what has led up to the present moment, like everything before and the current moment right now. And if the current moment is you living in this situation, I feel like for me, because I'm actually in this situation, for me, the way I'm handling it is realizing that, okay, there is something for me right now that I can be utilizing. Like there's some benefit for me to be staying at home right now. Like I could be saving money. I can live without the stress of like having roommates. Like, yeah, you're living with your parents, but you know, it's relatively chill. Hopefully you're in that situation. You know, there's so many pros. Like you just have to think about the pros. Like you're in your hometown, so you already feel familiar. So it's already giving you a sense of like, I'm okayness. Hopefully, you know, if that's how the relationship you have with your family, like hopefully this guy's just like looking at me like, what is she doing? Yeah, hopefully it gives you that. So all I'm saying is, and then so you can see the silver lining of any situation. So feel it now. Also, what I'm doing is not knowing where I'm going to end up, but I know that I have an idea of what beautiful situations I would like to end up in. I'm not going to even put those out there because this is for me. And so I can think about those a lot, and I can, oh my God, this guy is coming back. He's really trying to see what is up. Yeah, so you can do that. This is funny. I love when these kind of situations happen. Yeah, you can, what I'm doing is basically seeing these, I'm sorry, yeah, I'm getting so distracted. This is funny. I'm practicing vlogging right now. Yeah, like I'm feeling and I'm seeing and I'm putting myself in this situation like that would be ideal for me. But I'm also trusting that I'm going to end up wherever I need to end up, and that, you know, like it might not be in this country. Like the simple fact that I am so okay with the abundance of possibilities that I can end up in, and like I'm trusting that like I'm going to make the best out of it. Because if I can make the best out of my situation right now, I can be in any situation and make the best out of any situation. It's like my friend, we were talking about like music and stuff, and how he's trying to get up in his music scene, and like establish himself there. And we were talking about like other locations that are also musically lit, and he's like, yeah, like we're talking about these places, but I'm about to chill here, because if I can't conquer here, how am I gonna conquer the world? And like that part right there. So I guess this video is about embracing the uncertainty, embracing the unknown. What we can start doing while we are in this unknownness is we can visualize, though. Like, I love visualizing. I am a Libra. I am very airy, very wispy, very like open to things, and very creative, and very in touch with my feminine swirly side. So I enjoy just visualizing what kind of situation I would like to see myself in. Like, where do I see myself thriving in? Like, what environment is most conducive to my creativity? And since if you know yourself, you know what environments are creative or conducive to your creativity. Like, for example, for me, is anywhere in nature. Like, look where I am right now. Like, I just go into nature and trust that, yeah, like, this is just where I gravitate to. Like, I was just boarding around and ended up in a patch of grass, you know, like, concrete jungles where I live, but, you know, there's always nature somewhere. So I know that's just an example. Like, there's so many, like, just having natural lighting, like, just being outside, like, there's so many things that contribute to my creativity. So of course in the future I want to live somewhere like that. So this grass is blocking the camera, but it's okay, y'all can still hear me. So yeah, that's all that I wanted to share. Peace and blessings to y'all. Like, I hope that y'all can start to just get introspective a little bit and just start asking yourself like questions like, what do I want to do, and where do I want to be? But don't get too fixated on it, because like, we don't have that much well, I mean, I'm not gonna say we don't have that much control over it, but there's just so much that can happen in between point A and point B. And as long as we're flexible, and as long as we're trusting and confident in ourselves, that wherever we are, in whatever situation we're in, and whatever happens, like, that we'll be able to have ourselves, our backs, we'll be able to support ourselves, the people around us will support us. Like, as long as we just always know we are always okay, like, we're chilling. So have fun with it. Like, just start visualizing, like, best case scenario, what would you be doing? Because I honestly feel like what is planned for us by Creator is going to be greater than what we can even imagine. So as long as we just keep cultivating peace and joy and like a contentness in this present moment, like, we're solid. And with that being said, I'm gonna just go ahead and upload this, and I hope you took something away. Oh, I shouldn't even close up my face right now. But yeah, I'm just chilling. It's summer. We're in Carson, California. I am very, 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 very happy, and I hope you are too. So peace out, y'all. I'll see you later, my beautiful, soulful art babes.